How to scale Facebook ads. Instead of showing ads to random people, custom audiences let you retarget websites, visitors, existing customers, or people who engage with your content. Facebook allows you to create custom audience based on the website visitor, people who visited your site or viewed specific pages. You can also go ahead and do that with your customer list. You can upload email list or phone numbers to target existing customers. You have your engagement audiences, people who liked, commented, or interacted with your posts, videos, or ads. You have your app activity. It's users who engage with your mobile application. And lastly, you have your offline activity, people who've interacted with your business in person, for example, store visits, calls, and more. Now, using custom audiences lets you retarget warm leads instead of cold audiences, leading to higher conversion rates. And so, let's go ahead and talk about on how you can create your custom audiences. First things first, you want to head over to the ad management on Facebook. You can go ahead and do this by navigating on your Facebook Messenger or your Facebook website right here. Click on the Create button. How to scale Facebook ads. Now, scaling Facebook ads is one of the biggest challenges for advertisers. If you've found a winning ad campaign that's bringing in consistent results, the next step is to scale it up to reach a larger audience and maximize revenue. However, scaling the wrong way can increase cost, reduce conversions, and waste your budget. In this video, we'll break down on how you can properly scale Facebook ads while maintaining profitability and efficiency. We'll cover horizon versus vertical scaling, budget strategies, audience expansion, and advanced optimization techniques. And so before we get started, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, let's go ahead and understand the two types of scaling. There are two primary ways to scale your Facebook ads. Number one is going to be the vertical scaling. This involves increasing the ad budget while keeping the structure of the campaign the same. You increase the daily or lifetime budget gradually to avoid disrupting the algorithm. Now, number two is going to be the horizontal scaling. Instead of increasing the budget, you duplicate the campaign or ad sets and test new audiences, creatives, or ad placements to expand reach without affecting existing performance. Basically, the key is to go ahead and use both strategies together for effective scaling. And so let's talk about on how you can gradually increase your budget with the vertical scaling. Now, if you increase your budget too fast, Facebook's algorithm may reset the learning phase, causing ad performance to drop. The best approach is to go ahead and increase budget by 20 to 30% every 2 to 3 days to prevent sudden changes. You want to use the campaign budget optimization or CBO to let Facebook distribute your budget efficiently. You also want to test the lifetime budgets instead of the daily budgets for better long-term results. Now, as a tip, if performance starts declining after the budget increase, you want to reduce the budget slightly and allow the Facebook's algorithm to readjust. From there, let's talk about on how you can expand your audience with the horizontal scaling. Once you've maximized your current audiences, you need to find new people who are likely to convert. Now, here's how you can do it. You want to test lookalike audience. You can create 1%, 2%, 5%, or even 10% lookalike based on high converting customers. You want to expand interest and behaviors. You want to test add new interest, job titles, behaviors, or competitors' audiences to reach or to increase your reach. You also want to use broad targeting. You want to let Facebook's AI find new potential buyers by using broad targeting instead of strict audience filter. Now, you then want to improve your ad creatives and copy. Scaling isn't just about increasing budgets. It's also about keeping engagements high. As you reach more people, ad fatigue can go ahead and lower your performance. Now, to keep your engagement strong, you want to test multiple ad creatives. These creatives can include videos, images, carousel, or GIFs. You want to refresh ad copy to avoid message repetition. And lastly, You then want to use dynamic creative testing to let Facebook automatically test different headlines, images, and CTAs. You want to rotate new angles, for example, testimonials, benefits, problem-solving approaches. Now, as an example, if your original ad was focused on saving money, you want to test new version that highlights convenience or speed. From there, we then navigate through the retarget and upsell for higher profits. Now, scaling isn't just about finding new customers, it's also about increasing sales from the existing ones. Now, retargeting website visitors who didn't complete a purchase is what you want to retarget. You also want to retarget video viewers who watch at least 50% of your ads. And then you want to create upsell and cross-sell ads for people who already purchase. Now, for example, if someone bought a fitness product, you want to retarget them with supplement or workout programs. From there, this will basically go ahead and upsell for higher profits. And also, we can then optimize for ROAS or return of ad spend. As you scale, you need to track performance metrics closely to ensure profitability. Now, the key metrics to monitor is going to be the ROAS, which is the return on ad spend. This measures on how much revenue you earn per $1 spent. We also have cost per acquisition or CPA. If it increases too much, scaling isn't profitable, so you have to keep that in mind. Now you have the CTR or click-through rates. If it drops, ad fatigue might be an issue. And lastly, we have frequency. If it's above 3 to 4 people or seeing the ad too often, it's time to refresh your creative once more. Right after that, you want to automate scaling with Facebook rules. Basically, to make scaling easier, you want to use Facebook's automated rules to increase budgets automatically when ROAS is high. If you want to pause underperforming ads if CPA goes above a set amount. And lastly, to send notification when an ad is underperforming. Now, this prevents manual adjustments and let Facebook optimize your scaling strategy. You then want to use the Facebook Advantage Plus campaigns. Facebook's Advantage Plus shopping campaigns allows AI to fully automate retargeting, creative testing, and budget distribution. Now, why use it? It's great for scaling because Facebook optimizes your budget in real time. Now, how to set it up? You want to choose the Advantage Plus placements and let Facebook decide where to show your ads. Basically, it's best for e-commerce store, lead generation, and businesses that want fast results but without micromanaging ads. You also want to go ahead and go for the A/B testing for data-driven scaling. If you're scaling ads without testing, you're flying blind. A/B testing allows you to validate that works before scaling. Now, you want to test different creatives like images versus videos once more. You want to test experiments with ad copy, long form versus short form. You want to try different CTAs like shop now versus learn more. You then want to compare your audience segment, cold audience versus retargeted users. Once you have found out what performs best, you want to scale only with the winning variation. From there, we can diversify our traffic sources. Instead of relying solely on Facebook ads, you also want to consider running parallel campaigns on Instagram ads. It's great for expanding your reach, especially for visual projects. You have TikTok ads. It's great for e-commerce brands retargeting younger audiences. You have Google ads to capture high-intent buyers searching for your product. You also have YouTube ads to retarget warm leads with engaging video content. This reduces risk and ensures that your business isn't over-dependent on Facebook. And from there, we can monitor our competitors. Your competitors are also running ads, so analyzing their strategy can help you scale faster. From there, we can leverage users or influencers and UGC content. User-generated content and influencers marketing can significantly boost ad performance. Now, scaling Facebook ads successfully requires a balanced approach. You need to increase your budget carefully, expand audience strategically, refresh creatives, and optimize ROAS. If done right, you can double or triple your sales without increasing the cost too much. If this guide has helped you, like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your biggest challenge in scaling your Facebook ads. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.